Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your account on Amplify ASR. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Amplify ASR login. As the search result, you can see on the first option, Login Amplify Platform. Click on the link. It will take you to the login portal for your Amplify account. Over here, enter the email address of your account. Once you do that, click on the Next button. You will be redirected to the password section. Over there, enter the password of your account and click on the Login button. You will be logged into your Amplify account. In case if you guys face any issues while signing in, you can click here Need Help Signing In. So, that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, hit the bell icon for the latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.